In this video, I will show you how to install Telegram on PC. Very simple, basic way. Open any web browser, search telegram.com. Now, once you open telegram.org, search telegram.org. Once you open telegram.org, you will see these options. Telegram for different devices like for Android, iPhone or iPad. Telegram for PC, Linux and Mac OS. So select here Telegram for PC. Now here select your version like Windows 64 or 32. Then click on this link. If you see this warning, so click on keep. Once installation complete, once downloading complete, double click on this .exe file. Select your language from this list. Click on OK. Next. Check this box if you need to create a desktop shortcut. Then next. Then install. Once this complete, click on finish. Then start messaging. Here guys, you will see two options to log in your Telegram account. First one using your phone number and second scanning. To scan, complete these three steps. Open Telegram on your phone, go to settings, devices, link desktop, scan this image to log in. So this is the basic way guys to log in your Telegram account on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.